Well, speaking of being in the field, the summer vacation is quickly approaching for many high school students, and for some of them, that means a chance to get some hands-on experience for a job, perhaps on an ag operation. If that is perhaps your son or daughter, you want to pay attention to this next story because the University of Nebraska-Lincoln has several tractor safety training courses available for those students interested in getting some hands-on experience and make sure they're safe around those farms and ranches. UNL, as I mentioned, has a lot of opportunities coming up for those trainings all across the Cornhusker State, and they'll be taking place over the coming weeks. These safety training courses are scheduled in 8 sites across Nebraska in late May or early June. Students will complete the first day of the course by either attending a hands-on event or online through the Extension Foundation's campus website. After successfully completing the hands-on event or the online course and testing, a driving test will also be required. The course is ideal for teens who are 14 to 15 years of age who will work on a farm or ranch, or others interested in learning about safe practices around the farm. Potential students are encouraged to register for the certification course. While federal law prohibits children under the age of 16 from using certain equipment on a farm unless their parent or legal guardian owns the farm, certification received through this course grants an exemption to the law, allowing 14 and 15-year-olds to drive a tractor and to do field work with certain equipment. The first location to offer the in-person instruction and driving tests will be next week in North Platte. That's May 21st and 22nd. That'll be followed by West Point May 28th and 29th, Weeping Water May 30th and 31st, Gordon, Nebraska June 5th and 6th, and Grand Island June 11th and 12th. Other locations offering the tractor driving test include Gehring on June 4th, O'Neill on June 7th, and Hastings on the 3rd of June. The cost of the course is $40 and includes all educational materials, the online learning link if applicable, as well as supplies and lunch at the in-person training events. Payment can be made at the time of the driving exam. Only checks and cash can be accepted at those events. For more information, visit unmc.edu/tractor-safety-training.